I'm standing against my house, y'all. This is how much room there is between the two. I have other neighbors messaging me as this is being recorded in this neighborhood that are bugged by their actions as well. But we all work from home. We have legitimate jobs. Our homes don't look like that. You know, they say, oh, we're at work too. What are you working on? You don't have a registered business at that address. That address is not zoned commercial, and you're running a junkyard out of it. So here we go. We're going to listen to another song. At least it's not the same song repetitively. Listen to the same song 47 times, 2.5 hours, one night. It was ridiculous. It is absurd that grown men act like this. But then again, they've shown their true characters by the way they treat law enforcement. So